Hello?
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
What's going on, dude?
Gold glasses. Oh, nothing. I'm just looking for a streamer and YouTuber.
Oh, word. Well, I'm a YouTuber. I do freestyle raps on YouTube. Can I do a freestyle rap for you?
Let's do this, bro.
All right, let's do this. Can you give me like 3 totally random words to base my rap on?
A fish, bed, planet.
All right, let's do it. Yeah. Yo.
Oh.
Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yo, here's what we gonna do. Yo, I got the skills that these other rappers wish. When I start flowing, they be swimming like a fish. Yeah, I'm going off the top at will. Man, I could breathe through the flow like my neck got gills. I'm swimming. Homie, you can see my fin coming. Predator in the water just like a shark or something. Yeah, y'all know that I do this at whale. Huge as a whale, homie, just set sail. We going off, we hoping to get this motion up and down like the ocean. It's crazy, do this on the daily, baby. Me and the fish out here and we getting so wavy. Yeah, homie, I just crashed in, just like the waves when they bashing. Ain't no bastion, me and my faction going off fast with the rap shit every time we in action. I'ma go till my face turns red. These rappers been sleeping on me, they're in their bed. But I'ma wake up when I kick a ill flow. Homie, get your head flying up off the pillow. Get up out of bed, it's alarm time. Let me go off top when I'm kicking you a bomb rhyme. Yeah, I got too much space to take up, so get the fuck up, wake up, wake up. Let's go off at the top. Got the mic in my hand, kid, and you gotta understand it. Big Al's got the upper hand in this game. I'm hard as granite, man, I'm about to blow up a whole planet. Yeah, when I blow like a bomb threat, hit the planet and explode just like a comet. Y'all know that Big Al's gonna rock beats. Hit a comet in the planet, cause a tsunami. Flow's been wet like water for years. I'm about to hit it like a comet in the tsunami right here. Y'all know that I'ma do what I do. My flow's a light speed, get you straight to the moon. Straight to space with these rhymes I do disperse. It's too diverse, only take it to a different universe. And did I mention we're up on the ascension? Launch so hard, get into a different dimension. What?
Respect 100 to 100. What the hell? You placed 3 words.
Thank you, man.
You're so strong, man.
Thank you, dude. I appreciate that.
God. What is your channel?
My YouTube channel is called Big Al's Variety Hour. If you want to go check it out, hang out with me sometime. Would you mind if I use this as a clip on my YouTube channel?
Oh yes, it would be really cool.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Oh yeah. I'm shocked.
Appreciate you, dude. That was awesome.
Oh, you're strong, you're strong.
All right, man. I'm out of here. I'll see you later.
Hello?
Hello.
Are you like 30?
That's not very nice.
I'm sorry, are you 25?
No, I'm 30.
Oh my god, I knew it.
Yo, what's up?
Hello.
What's going on?
I like your setup you got there.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Sorry, I'm listening to, I don't know if it's flagged. I'm listening to Unreleased Juice, so I don't know if that's flagged.
Unreleased Juice, like Juice World?
Like Juice World, yeah.
Actually, I'm on here doing freestyle raps for people. Can I kick a rap
yeah?
for you?
Maybe. If you can spit it, why not?
Can you give me like 3 totally random words?
How about Marvel? Like, Marvel Studios, not the comics, but like the movies. Let's see, what else? How about weed? Why not?
All right.
Some smoking in there, yeah. Gotta have weed with Marvel always, of course. And then, America.
America.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow, these are some big topics. All right. Let's see what we get.
Those are good topics, no?
Let's give it a shot. Shit. Yo. Check it. Yo. I get their heads bobbing every time that I start flows. I'm super in this bitch, homie, I'm being Marvel. Y'all know that these rhymes are never end, sir. I'm the brand newest member of the Avengers. Yeah, let's turn it up right now. I'm coming through, turn me to 100,000. Cause if not, then I'm about to slam, bro. I'm playing music like piano, I'm snapping like Thanos. Yeah, homie, if you're really bored, I could bring you a climax like Infinity War. And did I mention while I'm up on the ascension, I take you to a different dimension. Every time that I'm up on stage, I leave them all amazed. Turn a new page, open portals like Strange. Yeah, I got what you need. Speaking of strange, homie, I'm here smoking like weed. Yeah, he's smiling, laughing, he knows what I mean. What happens, homie? I'm smoking the green. In other words, I'm lifted, I'm totally gifted. He gave me 3 words and then I totally ripped it. Yeah. Y'all know that I'm out here making points, smoking off the top like a joint. Get it poppin' every time I hear words at once on the tracks, homie, burning off the top like a blunt. I'ma do it. When I'm on the tracks, I'ma slam it, bruh. Jamming for the whole nation of America. Yeah, I'm just ill with rhyme creations, floating like a flag over this fucking nation. Let's go. I'm out here bringing you the bars, stripes on the flag, homie, I'm a fucking star. Y'all know that we're here to do what we do, like your shirt, homie, for the red, white, and blue. Yeah, I said what the fuck you say, we just jamming out here for the USA. I'm out here entertaining the masses with the sunglasses. This is America's ass, and I'm taking all these other dudes to class and moving right past them. These other rappers ain't fast enough. Yeah, I got the stuff, so I leave beats destroyed. Tell me now, do you make some noise? Let's go.
He just freestyled all 3 of those words. It was sick. He
Thank
doesn't
you.
know what's going on. Dude, that was dope. Holy shit. Every line was like perfect. And
Thanks,
the
my man.
Marvel, like you hit everything with, even like the portal, like Strange. I was like, oh shit. Like,
I appreciate that.
dude, that was phenomenal. I give you props.
Hey, would you mind if I used this as a clip on my YouTube channel?
Oh, absolutely. Let me get your YouTube link. I'll sub right now.
Sure thing, dude. Thank you. So I go by Big Al's Variety Hour.
Big Al.
Yeah,
Big Al. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Dude, you're cool as though, for real.
thanks, dude. I appreciate that.
Yes, sir, absolutely. And you just earned yourself a new sub, my boy.
Let's go. Hey. Yo, what's going on?
Top Gun, you look so.
Top Gun. I take that as a compliment. I like that.
Yes.
What are you guys up to?
Top Gun. Nothing much on Omegle. What about you?
We're just on Omegle. I'm actually on here kicking freestyle raps for people. Can I do a freestyle rap for you?
Oh yeah, go on then.
Awesome. Let's do it. Can you give me like 3 totally random words to work with?
SpongeBob. Yeah. Your turn.
Trumpet.
Cocaine.
Cocaine. All right, let's give it a shot. Yeah. Yo. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yo, I'm dropping bombs every time that I dumb talk. I'm walking with my SquarePants SpongeBob. These other rappers can't get at you, they ain't half, dude. I'm living under sea in a pineapple. Yeah, y'all know what I'm about. I live in SpongeBob Pineapple, but I look like Squidward's house. But when I rap, I'm not gonna stop, son. These dudes said, you don't look like that, you look like Top Gun. Alright, dude, well, I'ma keep on rocking it. If I look like Top Gun, I'ma take it as a compliment. Cause y'all know that I've been spitting so fluent. Kinda like your Nike shirt, homie, I just do it. So, turn me up while I'm on the tracks, I bump it. Let's get the horns, homie, bring in the trumpets. Yeah, I'm going underwater like a scuba. We bringing in the trumpets, we bringing in the tubas, we bringing in the trombones. Off the dome, I'm all alone jamming these rhymes up in my home. But if I wanna rock out like Kurt Cobain and get them all addicted like they out here snorting cocaine, then fine, homie, I can make it bump. Feeling like you snorted cocaine and did some drugs. I can't even believe that, dude. What the fuck you got in your room, car? He turned around and just lifted up a tuba? Oh my goodness, I'm out here just ripping it different. And this guy's out here playing on the instruments. Well, that's pretty cool, cause while I'm spitting, it's fun to be performing for another musician. So, let's go off while I do what I do, dude. I'm the guru doing voodoo for both of you dudes. All up on Omegle, so make some noise while I'm out here jamming for the people. Let's go.
Nice.
That's amazing.
Thank you, guys. Hey, I'm actually on here. I'm trying to get some content for my YouTube channel. Would you be okay if I use this as a clip?
That's great.
Thank you, guys. Yo, that was amazing. I can't believe you actually had that instrument right behind you.
He does.
I do, yeah.
Nice. Hell yeah, dude.
I'm not smart enough.
I feel that. That's why I rap, dude, because I can't play an instrument.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
All right, dudes, I'm out of here. I'll see ya.
Yeah.
Okay, see ya.
Have a good one.